Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Rudy here with your yard service, and yeah, you're right, what you're seeing is snow. And welcome, by the way, welcome to Thanksgiving Monday in Canada, that is. So yeah, first week of October, and we have snow on the ground, and it seems like we may need to go, well, I actually do go out and check on our all season maintenance clients. Although we not have a bunch of snow, we still had accumulation last night on the surfaces like city sidewalks and driveways. It's cold, man. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my duty checking up on those guys, and but before we do that, we gotta get some equipment here. So I don't really feel too excited about putting snow shovels on top of lawn equipment. We are not done yet. We still need fall cleanup to do, but Mother Nature is jumping ahead and back and forth all the time. We have had snow already before in September for 2 weeks. Yeah, right. And now again, beautiful, right? Not. Anyways, so grab some snow shovels and then head off into the city and see what's needed to be done. Hopefully nothing at all, just a spot check here. Okay, let's get some snow shovels here. They are in the deep, dark corner. Actually jinxed the snowfall today. Probably just need those two guys. Yeah, that's all we need. So as I was saying, probably jinxed, hello puppy, probably jinxed the snowfall today, because if you can see that at the door, right there is the snow shovel. I actually just put it there last night without knowing. That was before we got snow. Without knowing we would get any accumulation. I mean, like a few flurries here and there, that's okay. But like, I put the snow shovel there last night, and then it actually did snow. Anyways, so I'm the guy to blame. We're going to take this guy here, head into the city. Hang on, Rudy. Before we do that, we gotta put the snow. See? It's still lawnmowers, aerators, backpack blowers, fertilizer, and a leaf vacuum. We're not done yet, and I'm trying to figure that out. So this is just a temporary solution, guys. This ain't the regular snow removal operation today. Gotta put those guys in here. Actually, those are the two same sizes. I don't need that. So we need to go back. Hey puppy. Yeah, you should have told me. So we're gonna go back here, because I have a wider pusher. Those two are like just too small. I don't need two of the same. Anyways, they are dangling up here, right? We should all bundle up in the straw. Okay, let's get this guy out. Oh, yeah. I just got this top spreader here the other day when I was telling you about Martin Deerline equipment in the city, and just picked this up for top dressing. Haven't had a chance using it yet because there's no top dressing to be done when it's snowy, eh? Isn't that funny? Okay, let's put this in the van. What's in the van, man? Snow shovel and lawnmowers, of course. Aerators, fertilizer. Fertilizer's probably thinking, hey Rudy, I don't feel comfortable sharing the same space as the snow shovels. Yeah. You guys, be friendly to each other. You guys, behave. You're the new guy in town, right? Okay. I will see you back in the city. Whoa. All right. All right, guys. I guess we just need easy shovel equipment today. No snow blower needed. I'm thinking so. Mother Nature up there. You behave. We still need lawn work to be done. For cleanup stuff. No mixed equipment. At least no heavy equipment. That will be a total disaster. Like trying to convert everything like snow blowers and lawnmowers in the same space. No go. Anyways, let's go in the city and see if we need to do anything at all. Maybe just spot check and drive around, have a good time, right? All right, see you in the city. All right, guys. So it looks like this. Almost nothing, almost all of it melted. So once we are here, we are just gonna shower this up anyways. Got a little bit of ice here. A little bit of ice. Okay. Not a whole lot, but it may make a difference because this is right in between the walk area around the garage and the car and the entrance to the front door. As you can see, not a whole lot. There's some stuff here. Some stuff. Just gonna pull it off to the side, so that's good. So most of it has been melting. But a few areas need touch up and just checking. So let's take this guy here for instance. That's not our property here, but I mean it's minor stuff, but they do pay us. So although it's kind of like not the official snow season yet, but like for all season clients, we take care of no matter what Mother Nature comes up with. So this would be covered in our agreements to basically do that, although it's basically nothing. All right, guys. That's that for that property. 2 to go. All the other ones have been pretty much similar to almost nothing. So easy peasy day. Easy peasy day. This is a wrap for the first official snow removal day, although it was an easy one and basically just a checkup, not really much of a work day. But anyways, this was an easy peasy lemon squeezer day. I hope you're having all a fantastic Thanksgiving. All the friends in the States coming up in November, happy Thanksgiving. Anyways, snow still on the ground, hasn't gone anywhere. I'm still hoping we can complete the lawn season with the fall cleanup to come. Maybe not, who knows. Mother Nature, it's up to you. Talk to you later. See you in the snow, I guess. Over and out.